Hi there, Goat Man Phil Rainey here. Sitting at home in, in lockdown. What's more, I think I got a bit of a cold. I sneezed, I coughed, and I blew my nose. And so here I am. Um, yeah, and feeling rather lonely and rather stupid. And you know, I don't just. I suppose the point about that is that God can even use stupid people. It seems he doesn't seem to be limited at all. He can even use me, even though I can hardly speak and I can hardly read and write, and I can. I really feel like a bit of a dickhead, to be quite honest. Um, so I'm sitting here feeling a bit sorry for myself for the day. Anyway, to all those people out in isolation there, keep it up. Keep isolating. Keep away from each other. Don't do. Don't take the mickey out of it. Um, make shortcuts or don't cut corners and potentially cross infect each other. And um, there's no good. We've got to isolate it out of existence. It's hard enough as it is because we've got all these services you can't turn off, you can't stop, and so you just got to try and isolate as much as possible, I suppose. But yeah. Anyway, have a good day. See ya. Bye.